ColdFill. Here, you will see how easily ColdFill is applied. ColdFill is a cold-applied, self-leveling sealer that repairs long and irregular cracks in an instant. All you have to do is mix the two components and apply. Because of its high durability, the product protects the road from further damages. This makes it suitable for permanent backfilling of cracks, outbreaks, and minor holes in the blacktop, damages that can otherwise be difficult to repair. Here is how to do it. Before you start application, make sure that the surface is dry, clean, and free of dust, salt, grease, and oil. Open the ColdFill bucket and mix thoroughly to get rid of any sedimentation. Pour the hardener into the ColdFill bucket and mix thoroughly for 30 to 60 seconds until the mass is completely homogeneous. Keep in mind that when the peroxide initiator is added, the curing process starts immediately. For small holes, deteriorations, and cracks, you can simply pour ColdFill straight out of the bucket and smooth over the surface with a trowel. For long cracks, we recommend using a screed box. This is a two-man job, with one person pulling the screed box in a controlled movement while the other continuously fills the screed box with ColdFill. In this way, you can repair long cracks very quickly. When application is done, add skid resistance by applying glass grains over the still wet surface. Curing time is usually 25 minutes depending on weather conditions. Gevico Markings makes preventive road maintenance easy, providing the complete solution for almost any type of road and surface damage. Contact your supplier or Gevico Markings to learn more. Together, we can keep the roads safe.